If you're an iPhone user who can't survive without YouTube, you need to hear this super quick fix. First, let's try the classic move. Swipe up from the bottom, close YouTube, then open it again. Sometimes, that's all it takes. If not, swipe down from the top right corner, tap airplane mode, wait 10 seconds, and turn it off. That gives your connection a fresh start. Still stuck? Check if YouTube itself is down. Just Google YouTube down detector. You're not alone if it's a global problem. Next, let's clear the app's cache with the offload trick. Go to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. Find YouTube, tap Offload App, confirm, and reinstall. No data lost, just good vibes. Make sure YouTube has access to cellular data in Settings and Cellular. Using a VPN? Try disabling it. It might be blocking YouTube. Still nothing? Reset your network settings under Settings on General. Just remember, you'll lose saved Wi-Fi passwords. Last step. Update or reinstall YouTube from the App Store. If all else fails, deleting and reinstalling almost always does the trick. Congrats! YouTube should be back. Hit subscribe for more